Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 10, Amazing Inventions. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, under the title of Listening and Speaking, we will learn today about regrets, and we will cover up page number 81, question number 9. Before in English for grade 3, we have already learned about how we can express regrets. I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are use appropriate expressions in conversation to express regret. Yes, my dear students, this is our SLO for today's lecture. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 23. Our Lord, we have indeed wronged ourselves. If you do not forgive us and have mercy upon us, we will certainly be among us the losers. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling about regrets. That is our SLO today, and this beautiful verse is telling when we have done something wrong. So error is a human nature. We can mistake, but if we mistake and we are clinging on that mistake, so this is so bad and this is so dangerous for us. And in this beautiful verse is also telling that just pray to our Allah Almighty that when we have done something wrong, so we should seek forgiveness of Almighty Allah, that He may be forgive us for our wrong deeds, and if He will not have mercy upon us, we will be among us the losers. Definitely we will not have nothing to survive, to live, to anything else. So we must seek forgiveness, because everyone in life can do mistake, but to cling on these mistakes are so dangerous for human being. Yes, my dear students. Yes, so let's refresh our knowledge. What you have learned about regrets. What do you do when you have done something wrong? Yes, my dear students. So when you have done something wrong, so what do you do? Respond this answer to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have done it. So let's see what we do when we are doing something wrong. We have different feelings at different time, like when there is something good or we achieve something, we feel happy. We not only feel happiness, we also express our happiness through our expressions and words. Yes, my dear students. So what you got now? When we get something, when we are happy, definitely when we feel, when teacher is appreciating us, so we feel happy. When our parents love us, so we feel happy. These are the moments when we feel happiness. And when we feel happiness, not just it's our feeling, we also express our happiness in the shape of words, in our facial expression we can express such type of happiness. So these all things, we have different feelings. When sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are happy. So these are different feelings that we have to show by our face, by our words, in the shape of expressions. So let's see how we can do all that. Yes, what is a regret? Regret is a feeling of sadness, sorrow, or disappointment over something that one has done or failed to do. Yes, my dear student, what is regret? Regret is a feeling of sadness, sorrow, or disappointment when we are not getting anything. Suppose we want something, but we are not getting, we are not able to get that, or some any reason. So we feel disappointment. So this is called regret. When we are sad, something happened, anything that we feel sad, so it is the feeling of sadness. And we are, when we are in misery, so it is our sorrow, it shows sorrow. Suppose you can get that in your class also, my dear students. When your test is not good, definitely you are feeling sadness, you are so sad. And when you have done something wrong, even in class, so this is also, we are disappointed that, oh, what we did. So in this way, this is called regret. So how we can express these expressions? Let's see, my dear students. Yes, you can see that these are the shapes we have. So sadness, how this is, how this emoji is, how so sad. And sorrow, sorrow is like near to weep, is near to weep. Look that, this is sorrow. Disappointment, when we don't get anything, when we have hope for something, but due to some reason when we don't get these things, so this is called our disappointment. So we feel that, but no need to be disappointed, my dear students. We will get, inshallah, that we want. Just cling that and struggle hard to achieve these things. Yes, my dear students, you should open book and practice that question number 9. Practice in pairs the given statements of regret following the model below. You can follow that there is a kid that, I'm sorry, it was my fault. This is regret, that he has done something wrong and he is saying sorry to him. So what he replied, it's okay. Yes, when what these expressions are explaining to us, my dear students, when someone is feeling her mistake, so you have to accept it with open heart. No need to cling that, no, I will not forgive. No, to forgive other people, it's a best habit. So we must do that. Yes, I should have not misbehaved with you. I understand you were upset. Yes, look how nice he is. He is understanding that he was upset, he was so disturbed. So that's why he misbehaved with me. So he forgave. So it's a good and it's a best habit. So you must forgive each other in your class if something happening wrong with you. If any your student, if any your fellow is disturbing you, if anyone has done anything wrong, so you must keep habit to forgive and accept mistakes. It's a good habit. Good. Yes, my dear students, let's perform an activity in the class. Yes, my dear teachers, make pairs of students. Give 5 minutes to students for discussion. After 5 minutes, call each student in front of class to share your regrets in sentences. Encourage students to perform this activity confidently in front of class. Yes, my dear students, my dear teachers, make pair of students and call your students, say them that such type of regrets they have in their lives. So they should come in front of class and they must accept their mistakes confidently. No need to be abashed that, oh, what someone will think, that if I will accept my mistake. No need to think at all, my dear students. When we accept mistake, it's good for us and it's good for other people's also. They also listen and they forgive us. So prepare class for this activity and enjoy. Excellent job. I hope you have enjoyed it and you have got many things, that how we can say sorry if we have done something wrong, how we can make mistake and how we can seek forgiveness. Good students. Yes, so what's our homework for today? write 5 regrets in your notebook. So yes, you will write 5 regrets in the shape of expressions, sentences in your notebook, and you will show to your teacher for next day. Yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet is given below. Click it, download it, and provide it to your students to get more information about regrets. They will express all that, how we can get regret in the shape of expressions. Yes, so what's our wrap up for today? What we have learned? Today we learned how we can accept our mistakes and how regrets can be expressed to each other. And in this way we have covered up our SLO. Use appropriate expression in conversation to express regret. Yes, my dear students, so today we got an interesting knowledge, and our SLO was so interesting that how we can, mostly we think that whenever we are doing mistakes, so we avoid that, we should not accept. So today we got that how we can accept our mistake and how we can say sorry to our fellows. So tomorrow with a new lesson. See you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.